In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix sorry we could not complete a request error on Instagram. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection, launch settings, click on the option Wi-Fi, click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to, forget this network, give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Likewise, you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next up, enable for the option airplane mode, wait for a few seconds and then disable it. This will refresh your network. With this, your problem might be fixed. Next thing you want to do is check for the app updates. So launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Instagram. If you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Likewise, log out and log in back to your account. Launch Instagram. Navigate to your profile page, click on 3 bar, scroll all the way down, click on the option log out, confirm it, wait for a few minutes and then log in back. This will refresh your session and fixes temporary errors. Next thing you want to do is check Instagram server status. For that, close this, launch your preferred browser. Now type in downdetector.com. Once you're in this website, search for Instagram. If you found out any outages, you'll need to wait until the problem will be fixed from the end. Next thing you want to do is completely delete Instagram app from your device and reinstall it. And that's it. Applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.